close places or from darkness, please let us know. So right now, pay attention to the
technologists and artists around the world. My intelligence infuses this building and powers every exhibit it holds. As you voyage to the future, I will be your guide. The worlds that you will encounter are not predictions.
In the year 2071, we will be able to provide clean energy for entire city. This is solar panels collecting clean energy for our office building. Once it's open, you will see shapeshifter buildings. They change their shape based on the algorithm and climate conditions. So this is shapeshifter buildings in the corner. Once you gaze around the city, you will see eco-friendly buildings, vertical gardens.
So what you're looking at here is a digital recreation of the Amazonian rainforest as captured in the year 2020. Sadly, due to deforestation and climate changes, this part of the forest collapsed in the year 2040s. And here at the Hill Institute, we're using this digital image to try and understand how we can help to recreate and restore this part of the damaged ecosystem.
400 samples collected from the global ecosystem. Please take a step forward 3 years and start exploring. On the left side, you'll be able to find our animal life, as various species included.
Ecosystems around the world. And yes, this marks the end of chapter 2. You may now proceed to chapter.
je peux parler en français.